So in this video here, we're going to show you how to draw this part 2 in onshape. And the big advantage of that is once you've actually got it drawn like this here, you simply click this button here and you can see there it's got the shape for you already drawn, a development of it. So you could cut that shape out on the laser or by hand, and then you can bend then to make the completed piece like this here. So we're going to go into create document, and it's part 2. And we're going to go with front view. We're going to sketch, asking us where do we want to sketch. We want to sketch in the front view. I'm going to sketch a line, and line right there. Go back to our drawing here now. So we can see this is 36. So if we go from the center, that's 15 and 3 is 18 each side. So we're going to hit D on our keyboard, and we're going to go 18 this side, and we're going to go 18 this side. And we go back to our drawing here now. We can see it's 38 plus 12. So 38 plus 12 is 50. Then green tick that. We're going to go over here to sheet metal, and it's going to ask us to convert or extrude. And what we want to do is extrude. We want the thickness is 1.5 is perfect, 0.5, and it's this, this, and this. And then it's going to ask us how big do we want to make it. So what we've got to do, we're going to measure out this here. So it's 15 plus 12 plus 42 plus 10 plus 46 plus 10 plus 50 gives the total of 185. So that's basically measuring all those distances there to give us the full width. So down here we're going to go 185 and green tick that there. So next what we want to do now is we want to remove the sections at the back and at the front. So we can see here this section here is 20 by 50. So we're going to draw, sketch on this plane here, corner rectangle, and we're going to dimension that there, 20 by 50. Hit F on your key to bring it, to fit it onto the screen the way you want it. And then this one here is 15 plus 12 plus 42 is 69 by 12. So D on the keyboard, 69 by 12. So we green tick that there. Then we'll hit this here. Pick the two parts that you want to actually get rid of. So making sure that when you hit extrude, hit the remove. And so that's going to get rid of those two parts for you now. Green tick that. Okay. Next what we're going to do is we're going to put a little flange in this here, so we have a little bit sticking out. Now what I'm going to do from now on, I'm going to draw this on one side of it, and then you can do then the other side yourself. So if we go up here to our sheet metal again, and we go flange. So we're going to click on this edge here. And you can see that it's drawn this straight out for us. Now we want that to come out to 12, so that's going to come out 12 there. Distance of 12. Green tick that. You've got to do the exact same thing now on the other side. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to sketch on top of this here. Go right into the corner. Just don't do that there. Right. Click this here. Right into the corner and drag it out. And see when it hits the first line, just do it to the first line. And you're going to do the same thing in the back, right into the corner. Click there, you're going to drag that out and click it to the first line. Now this is back 15. So D on your keyboard, dimension, and we want to make this one here 15. Now we want the distance from here to be 12. And again, green tick that, extrude, remove this, and green tick that there. Why is that not allowing me to do that? Just undo that. And green tick that. Perfect. Next, what we want to do, you see there's a little curve here, radius 10 curve. So if we go up here to radius, or fillet, sorry, we go in here, and you're going to click just right on that corner. And it's radius 20, but we want to take that down to 10. So there's our radius 10. Next, sketch up here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove this here section out here. And first we're going to remove this here part here. So what we have to do is we have to come over 30 and 30, 65. So dimension D from this to here has to be 65. And then the width from here to here then is 30. Now, we want that to come down now a depth of 30. Okay, so when we green tick that and we click extrude, we want again to remove this here. And we want to go down a depth of 30. So green tick that, and that's that section taken out. With this little square here to take out as well, and it's 35 by 40. So again, sketch, click in that corner there, and that is 35. So D on our keyboard, from this corner to this corner, 35. And again, green tick that, extrude, and green tick that. So that's that there, all removed. The last few parts are very simple, just a few little holes, all right? I'll go through a few of those, which is, and there's this little fillet to be taken, this little section to be taken off here. And so it's back 5 millimeters and it's joining up to the corner. So if we look straight in at the right, we sketch here. We want to draw a line right from that corner there, out to there, up to there, and back down. Dimension that there, 5. Now, why does it not let me do that? Undo that, undo that. D dimension, this line here, 5, right. So some sort of an issue with that. We'll just undo that. Sketch again here. Draw a line from here to here. Back up to here. Dimension. This line here, 5. Perfect. Again, green tick that. So we're going to remove this section here. Remove, yeah. I'm going to just drag that arrow out. So it's going to go through the whole way. So it's going through both of them. For some reason, it's left a little mark there. It shouldn't. Might be just something. So next, what we want to do, looking again in from the right, we want to sketch here 2 circles, one here, one here. If we look here, they're in 10 from each side and up 5. So dimension here to here, 10, and in 10, and up 5. And what we can do then, if we actually click on the center of this one, and click in the center of this one, we can make these here now horizontal. And also we'll click the outside of this circle, and we'll make these here equal. So once we dimension one, this one here, 3.5. Again, move, make sure that it comes all the way through. We can take that there. Okay, so what I want you to do now is complete that there yourself. There's just one more hole here to be taken out. Oh yeah, there's one other little bit here. This little bit here at the front is a flange. So we click on this here to make a flange. Now, it's going 90 degrees, but it's going, we want it, saying here, bend at 25 degrees. So we want to bend it 25. We want it going in the opposite direction. So now it's facing down the way. The length that it's out is 10. So the bend angle, the distance here is 10. We're going to take that there. And there is your little part. Just put a wee circle in there, and that's that completed part.